Engine coolant is one of the smallest parts of a vehicle's routine care that can prevent one of the largest kinds of damage. It controls temperature, protects metal parts from corrosion, and helps the engine survive hot weather, cold weather, and long trips alike. Many drivers ignore it until the warning light appears, but by then the system may already be under stress. The first step is to check the coolant only when the engine is cool. A hot cooling system can hold dangerous pressure, and opening the cap too soon can cause serious burns. Once the engine has cooled, locate the reservoir and inspect the level against the marks on the tank. The fluid should usually sit between the minimum and maximum lines. If it is low, that is a sign to investigate rather than simply top it off and move on. The color and condition matter as much as the level. Clean coolant is usually bright and clear, while old coolant may look rusty, cloudy, or contaminated with oil or debris. A sweet smell inside the cabin, persistent low levels, or wet spots under the vehicle can point to leaks in hoses, the radiator, the water pump, or even the head gasket. The cooling system is a closed loop, so repeated loss of fluid should always be treated as a problem, not a coincidence. When adding coolant, use the type recommended by the manufacturer. Different formulas are not interchangeable, and mixing the wrong products can reduce protection or create deposits inside the system. In some cases, a proper mix of coolant and distilled water is required. Tap water can leave minerals behind and slowly build scale, so the cleaner choice is the safer one. Maintenance is not limited to topping up. Coolant ages over time, and its protective additives weaken. Following the service interval in the owner's manual helps prevent corrosion and overheating. Flushing the system at the right time removes old fluid and sediment before they block narrow passages. This is especially important in older vehicles or cars that spend long hours in traffic, towing, or operating in extreme temperatures. A careful inspection also includes the radiator cap, hoses, and clamps. A cracked hose or weak cap can cause pressure loss even when the coolant level looks normal. Squeezing the hoses gently can reveal softness, brittleness, or swelling, all of which suggest replacement is near. Small details often reveal larger failures before they become expensive. The right way to maintain engine coolant is simple in principle and valuable in practice. Check it on a cool engine, watch the level and condition, use the correct fluid, repair leaks quickly, and replace old coolant on schedule. When the system is healthy, the engine runs more efficiently, lasts longer, and avoids the kind of damage that starts with a silent rise in temperature.